So previously we discussed about the Facebook and Twitter adding for plugins. Now I'm adding for plugin name is called YouTube subscriber. The purpose of increase my channel subscribers. In this purpose, developer.google.com/YouTube/YouTube underscore subscribe underscore button. In this simple channel name or ID. First select your channel. The ID will be 21 characters. Always keep it in mind. ID will be how many characters? 21 characters. Add here default full name is showing here and dark last one hide your subscribers or you can show by the subscriber also. Two option you can flexible. Final code will be here. This you are adding for 4 steps. Channel ID how many? 21 characters. Layout default or full and theme dark or default. I'm using for default. Last one subscribe and we can show our default. Again we can show our ID. Two option. I can go for show option. Now copy this code. We can go for blogger dashboard where I can select the option will be here anywhere. Suppose you can show by in this option also. Simple layout sidebar right one add a gadget HTML by JavaScript type your wish if you use or not use content place and publish. After publishing this one you can drag anywhere in your position. Now this one. You can go for right column or left column anywhere we can visible by your option. Layout any position will be changed. Here you can keep it on title YouTube subs. Clear? But we give position will be where here is that. There's a save for right column side without disturbance on your content. This is adding for which one? YouTube subscriber. When click here, let the people go to your channel, subscribe your channel, and a particular option. While subscribe, they show you for subscribe. If you need to subscribe, click for subscribe. It's clear. So this is adding for subscribe button for your blog or any website or PHP or any HTML. These are steps we can follow that. Note on it.